Now, what is Rust? Well, if you're new to programming, you must have heard of programming languages like Java, C, C++, and C Sharp. Rust is one of those high-level programming languages, like these programming languages I just mentioned. It was developed by Mozilla in 2010 for the main purpose of building a highly scalable programming language without the issue of invalid memory access. Developers who were writing the applications using C and C Sharp were facing. So one of the advantages you have while writing Rust over other programming languages is the fact that you don't have issues with invalid memory access. Which was even the reason why it came up to be the reason why Mozilla decided to develop the programming language. Well, moving forward, we found out that Rust was used in building gaming engines, was used in networking, building browsers, building OSs, and even building backend servers. So, moving forward, we are going to discuss the reason why you must learn Rust. Now, Rust is an advanced programming language that is beneficial to build tech applications that are in line with the modern information technology architecture requirements. Here are the top four reasons why you must learn Rust. One of them, which is a bonus, is what I just said earlier, which is the issue of invalid memory access is actually eradicated. Now, Rust facilitates easy scalability and concurrency and is suitable for building heavy applications to meet the increasing tech demands in the modern world. It uses a logical and functional syntax that allows developers to handle low level programming languages for IoT applications. The old codes in Rust are compatible with the newer versions of the language, and Rust is asynchronous. Now, what do you mean by asynchronous? Well, basically, when you write in Rust, you don't need to build multiple threads just to handle multiple requests. One thread can handle different requests, meaning it's non-blocking. It's asynchronous, unlike other programming languages that are synchronous, like C Sharp, C++, and all of that. So moving forward, I have an outline of how this course will go. It's going to go in three stages. First, we're going to start with the beginner course where we're going to discuss variables, mutability, data types, functions, comments, control flows, and few other topics. Then we're going to move into the intermediate topics where we'll discuss the introduction to VS Code and Cargo. Then we're going to program our own guessing game. We're going to understand ownership. We're going to learn how to use structures to structure related data. We're also going to learn enums and pattern matching, as well as introduction to packages, crates, and models, as well as common collections. As we move into the advanced topics, we're going to learn generic types, traits, and lifetimes, writing automated tests, OP features of Rust, OP short for object-oriented programming, Mat- patterns and matching, fairness concurrencies, advanced topics, and we are going to, at the ending of this course, build a multi-threaded web server. And don't forget, Rust is asynchronous, which is non-block. So I believe we are all solid, and I believe we are all excited. I believe I have convinced you and not confused you that Rust is a very solid programming language in Rust. So I think we're all excited to get started. So we've done a lot of talking. It's time for us to get started right away.